Hey, this is Bradley Benner of Mastery PR and Semantic Mastery. In just a moment, you're going to be shown a great product. But first, I want to tell you about our amazing bonuses that you can only get here. You're going to get access to the Mastery PR bonus membership site, which includes several premium products and webinars from Mastery PR and Semantic Mastery. The premium products currently included are YouTube Silo Academy, which shows how to build silo architecture into YouTube channels using playlists for maximum ranking power. YouTube Mastery, a step-by-step system for setting up highly optimized YouTube channels and videos, and advanced ranking techniques for winning in even the most competitive markets. Vmail prospecting, or what's known as video email, a unique and powerful method for landing local business clients while getting up to a 35% response rate from cold email prospecting. But wait, there is more. In addition to those awesome programs, you're going to get several bonus training webinars, including monetization models, where we dig into many ways to make money online and explain the pros and cons of each. Choosing your business path, a guide for selecting a business model and scaling it to create a real business. How to outsource, grow, and scale. Learn to hire, train, and manage virtual assistants so you can work on your business instead of in it. Local lead gen domination, how to generate leads on demand and sell them to local businesses to build a passive income stream. And that's not all. We'll be adding new training and webinars regularly, and you'll always get instant access to everything that we add for free. Look, you can't get this amazing bonus offer anywhere else. Your free membership to our premium bonus site is only available when you purchase the product right here on this page. So go ahead and watch the remainder of this video and then click the button below to purchase, and you'll be given instant access to the Mastery PR bonus site. And if you have any questions, contact us at support@masterypr.com. Alright, now check out what we have in store for you today.
Hi, I'd like to introduce VidFactory. VidFactory is a cloud-based all-in-one video editing tool for your ads and for your website. If you're someone who invested on any video creation tool, whether it's going to be an explainer video creation software or a 3D spokesperson or even an explainer video, this is the tool that you can use to create even more amazing videos. So right now, we're going to log in and let me show you what's inside. Now that we're logged in, as you can see, we are already seeing all of the modules here. The first thing that you will get access to with the video ads module, and this is where you can create amazing videos using your own videos, using YouTube videos, or going through thousands of royalty-free videos inside of the library. So let's say, for example, I don't have my own video. I'm going to use the library here instead. So I'm going to click the library here, do a quick search. Let's say car, click on search. And there you can see all the results here that has that keyword. Let's say, for example, I want to sell insurance. So I'm going to pick a video here that I want to use. Click on choose, click on next. And from here, we can divide the video into different sequences. More sequences, more scenes. So by default, we have to have two scenes. So example, I want to cut the first scene to the 1 second mark. All throughout the 5 second mark, and for the second scene I can put it up to, let's say, 9 seconds to 15 seconds. So now I have two scenes that I can use, and I can add a unique call to action on each scene that I select. We can also create additional scenes by clicking on add new sequence. Now that we finalize the scene that we want to use, click on next. And from here, this is going to be the editor. This is where all the magic happens, where you can add all the text, pictures, and even your own narration on a per scene basis. So first, let's add some text. Simply click on the part that you want to add. You can also change the font here as well, or you can also change the animation, the size of the text, and the background color that it has to make your text pop up. Alright, so if you want to add more, let's say, for example, we want to delete this and we want to add a call to action, we can click on choose file under pictures, and let's say we're going to select one of the call to action buttons that I have on my computer. Let's say this one. Click on open, and there we go. We have our image here added. You can add your own images or call to action button here as well. Now once you're done, simply click on save images, click on save text as well. Now, if you want to do more stuff to this scene, you can also add your own audio here. So that means you can add your own narration or music from this tab. Now remember that the settings that you have here is only specific to the scene. That means the second scene is going to be something that's totally unique. So you can add another set of call to action buttons here. So let's add a call to action text here. Let's say, for example, call now. And let's write a phone number here as well. Let's say 1-800-456-7890. All right. So we have our call to action text here added on the second scene. We can also add images as well. We can click on the save button just to make sure that the text is saved. And of course, we can add our own or another audio file here, whether it's going to be a narration or a voiceover or even just a simple music scene here. So you can customize every scene with text, call to action, and audio, which is pretty cool if you want to create really specific scenes and actions for them or for your customers to do. And once you're done, simply click on create video, and within a few minutes your video will be rendered and you'll be able to use this on any campaign or on any website. So as you can see here, let's play the video here. We can see that our text is here, our call to action button is here as well, and on the 6-second mark it will move to the second scene as well, and we're gonna have a total separate text or call to action or even voiceover on this video. And then you can download this one to your computer and you can upload it to Facebook or to YouTube or wherever you want and start getting traffic. So that's the video ads module. We also have the meme maker here. With this, you'll be able to do the same thing. You'll be able to add your own videos. You'll be able to upload or get some videos on YouTube. Let's do that here. So the first thing you will need is the YouTube link of the video you want to use for YouTube. So we simply go to YouTube here, do a quick search, and let's say I want to use this video here. I'm going to copy the link, just like you normally do. And we paste that inside of VidFactory. Click on next. And from here, you can click on start now, and you will be able to start using that video inside of VidFactory. As you can see, it's already imported here. It took just a few seconds and it's done. Now you can add your own text from the top and bottom, just like in any meme that you have seen all over the internet. So this is good, especially if you want to create video memes for Reddit, for forums, and for social media. So let's say, for example, you can have a quote here, for example, saying, "It didn't happen when there's no video." All right, we can change the font here as well for each text, either the top or the bottom. We can do that really fairly quickly using these settings here. We can also change the size of the text as well, the alignment, and the background color if you want it to stand out a bit more. Once you're done, click on export video, and within minutes or even seconds, your new video will be added with the top and bottom caption added for you. So aside from being able to add memes or add text or call to actions, you'll also be able to filter or add filters to your videos and adjust the brightness, contrast, and color grade of every video that you create. And let's say, for example, I want to use a library of the videos here and I want to add some kind of filter to make it look even more awesome. So I'm going to do a quick search from the library here. Let's say I want to use this one. Click on next. There we go. And we can select from the 8 different video filters here. So we can choose any of the video filters that we want to use from here. And that color grade will be adjusted for that filter. And once you click on export, it's going to export in the new video with the filter already applied to that. Again, this takes minutes. And since everything is processed on the server, it's quite fast and you don't need a very powerful computer to render the video. And there we go. Our video is already done and the video filter has already been added to this. Now, all this talk about video creation, video editing, and filters is awesome. But you still need to somehow figure out a way to make your video fit for a certain format of your choosing. And that's why we added the resize video option here. So with a resize video, you can resize any video, whether it's going to be your own video, something from YouTube, or something you got from the library. So let me choose that option instead. Click on search. I'm going to choose the video here. Click on next. And as you can see, on the left side here, there's an aspect ratio of pretty much every single social media network that you'll be able to use. So you have Instagram, which is going to be a 1:1 aspect ratio. If you're going to be using it for Snap, if you're going to be using it for YouTube, are you going to be using it on a Facebook landscape, even for a Facebook cover. So you can now create custom video Facebook covers with VidFactory. Of course, you can crop it, you can make it fit, or you can add white backgrounds or white overlays if you want it cropped or fitted. And you simply click on export, and that video format will be rendered for you, and you can use it for any campaign of your choosing. So now you don't need to a separate program to do this for you. You can do it inside of VidFactory. Aside from the resize video, we have the reverse video as well. So it's going to be your video played on reverse. So let me show you how that works. So I'm going to do a quick search again here from the library, and I'm going to use the same video since we've seen that happen. And what will happen here is it's gonna have a reverse play effect. So we simply click on reverse video. It's gonna take a few seconds for the video to re-render and reverse the order of the play. There we go. So instead of the clouds moving from left to right as it normally does, it now moves from right to left. So a complete reverse on how the video is played. This is really, really cool if you want something that will stand out when you post this on social media. Aside from the reverse video, we also have the video to GIF. Now, what this allows you to do is you can convert any video into an animated image. So let me show you how that works. So from here, we simply select, right? We simply select the video that we want to change into a meme. Let's say, for example, I'm going to use this one. Click on choose, click on next. And I simply select the section that I want or the sequence that I want to transform into a meme. So let me just move over here for a bit. All right, so it's going to be the 9-second mark to the 12-second mark. And we click on export GIF. And what will happen here is that this video will be converted into an animated GIF that you can post on Reddit, you can post on Facebook, and you can even use on your website. And as you can see, this is already rendered as an image, and you can of course resize this using the built-in tool, or just download that video as is as a GIF. So aside from being able to convert your videos into images and being able to add text or call to action, you'll also be able to loop your video. So if you have shorter videos, you can make them loop up to 3, 4, 5 more times to make longer videos. For example, if I do a quick search here and use one of the videos, so one of the videos here is only around 48 seconds, and if I only use this for an ad, I might need a longer video. So what I'm going to do is to repeat or loop the video either 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, or 8 times. So instead of having like a 30-second video, you now have a 2 to 3 minute video that you can use on your ad campaign, and you can use this in combination with the video ads or the meme maker so that you can create that custom video that you've always wanted. And of course, if you're going to be using done for your videos or YouTube videos, you also have to mute the audio if you want to add your own. So you can also have that here built in inside of VidFactory, and you can upload your own and just get it straight from YouTube. We created VidFactory for a reason, and that reason is we want our videos edited on the cloud, fast, quick, easy, and accessible anywhere around the world. And we want to share that with you. I would even say that this would be the last and only video editing tool you'll ever need for all of your video content. So if you're looking for a very powerful tool that your customers is going to love, promote VidFactory on the 26th. And if you need anything, just scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Skype icon to get in contact with me. So in behalf of my partner Med, we hope to see you in the leaderboards.